Thanks for joining me. Today we're going to talk about a sneaky little mistake that lots of writers make. Run-on sentences. What are they? Why do they matter? And most importantly, how can you avoid them? Let's get started. Listen carefully to this. Mum opened the door. The dog ran out. It sounds fine when you say it out loud, doesn't it? It flows together like it's just one sentence. But let's look at it written down. Now we can see the problem. It might sound like one sentence, but it's actually two. Let's split it up. Mum opened the door. The dog ran out. Each one is a complete idea. They both have a subject and a verb, which means they're what we call independent clauses. So why can't we just squish them together into one long sentence? After all, they're closely linked. If you do that, you end up with something called a run-on sentence. Run-on sentences are difficult to read and are sometimes really confusing. Just look at these examples. I quietly painted my brother watched. It sounds like I painted my brother. Uncle Jack sang loudly, I covered my ears. This sounds like Uncle Jack sang a song called I Covered My Ears. We ate, Dad fell asleep. Wait, did we eat Dad? When sentences run into each other like this, the meaning can get jumbled up. That's why it's so important to separate independent clauses clearly. This can be done in three ways. First of all, you can separate them with a full stop, a period. Simply put it after the first independent clause, remembering to begin the second independent clause with a capital letter. Mum opened the door. The dog ran out. If the two independent clauses are closely related to each other, you could also link them using a semicolon. Mum opened the door. The dog ran out. A third option is to join the independent clauses to make one longer, flowing sentence. But here's where a lot of people go wrong. They try to join the two parts with just a comma. This is a grammatical mistake called the comma splice. You cannot join two complete sentences with just a comma. Instead, you need to use a joining word, known as a conjunction. Conjunctions help link the two ideas so that they make sense together. Some common conjunctions are and, but, so, because, or although. Mum opened the door and the dog ran out. Mum opened the door, so the dog ran out. So there you go. Now you know how to spot and fix those sneaky run-on sentences. Remember your options. Use a full stop to break the ideas into two clear sentences. Use a semicolon to link the ideas. Use a conjunction to join them together smoothly. Now you're ready to tackle run-on sentences like a pro. Happy writing! Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial useful, please help my YouTube channel to grow by liking and subscribing. And if you leave a comment, I promise to reply.